Well done.
Thank you very much.
So, you did the test today at VicRoads Heatherton?
Yeah.
Absolutely nailed it. How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel confident. I feel great. I came into my lesson a little nervous and I said how I was feeling, and Viv from DOS Driving really gave me a hand with that, and I also had an hour of a drive before my test which got my nerves down as well, which was awesome. And he was also with me on the test, so the instructor would say something and he would repeat it, which is good because I have a familiar voice telling me, hey, turn left, hey, turn right, which was really great.
Did the areas that we went in feel familiar?
Yes, definitely. I felt like it was quite easy in the sense of I've done a few mock tests, I've done harder mock tests.
Yeah.
I drive around this area constantly because that's where my test is. So Viv made sure to cater my lessons to like areas that would be in my test. So everything felt really familiar and quite a breeze, to be honest. I went in really stressed going, I'm gonna fail, I don't know what's going on. But then I was like, I got this.
Exactly, yeah. Right? So it's that initially, I think for every student who goes to the drive test, initially they feel really kind of nervous on the day and scared, right? Because it's normal to feel that way. It's just a matter of keeping it together, right?
Yeah, 100%. Definitely controlling your nerves, breathing, talking to your instructor before the test when you have that one little lesson, working on those little things that you think you need to work on, and also just getting the nerves out, going on a bit of a drive. Yeah, good. You absolutely killed it. Now for you're someone who came in with not in a situation where you could drive by yourself to do the learning to build up the 120 hours. So you invested quite a bit with us in terms of time and lessons. Was it worth it, like doing all those lessons? Yes, it was, because if not, I think I would have waited till I was 21 and I would have been still having to pay for lessons. So 100% was worth it. Even if you do 20 or 30, whatever it is, and say what your goals are, 100% it's definitely worth the money because you're investing your time and money. Same with the instructor, he's investing his time and catering each lesson to what you want. So, and
we tried to mix it up, right? We went to the city, we did some city drives.
We did a city drive, we did hook turns, we've gone everywhere. We went to like shopping centre car parks as well, so I get the gist of like everyday driving, not just VicRoad driving. Last question for you. So now that you have your license, once you get your car, are you going to be scared to drive anywhere, or are you going to be okay by yourself? No, because I had a really great teacher who mentored me, and I think I'll be quite confident driving alone. Good job. Congratulations. You absolutely deserve it. Very proud of you. Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you very much.